If you want to sound more like native speakers, you need to use these words. Native speakers use these words actually when speaking. They avoid the word very, as you can see here in these words. Native English speakers do not say very open. They say transparent. It is replaced by transparent. They do not use very interesting. Instead of saying very interesting, they say fascinating. Very honest is replaced by straightforward. Straightforward. Very poor is replaced by impoverished. They say impoverished, not very poor. They do not say very rich. They say well off, prosperous, or wealthy. Very scared is replaced by petrified or terrified. They do not say very intelligent. Instead of saying very intelligent, they say brilliant. Very angry is replaced by enraged. Instead of saying very angry, you can use enraged. Enraged. Very big is replaced by gigantic. Gigantic. Very expensive. They do not say very expensive. They say exorbitant. Exorbitant. Now let's use these words in sentences. Very open. Thank you for being open with me. Thank you for being transparent with me. It is very interesting. It is very fascinating. He is very poor. He is impoverished. He is very rich. He is prosperous or wealthy. Very scared. He is very scared. He is petrified or terrified. Very intelligent. He is very intelligent. He is brilliant. Very angry. He is very angry. He is enraged. Very big. This is very big. This is gigantic. This is very expensive. This is exorbitant. For more videos and ideas, subscribe our YouTube channel, English at your doorstep. Stay tuned to our videos and drop your valuable comments. Thank you.